This is the drag force aerodynamic interactive calculator, which solves for 6 different aerodynamic parameters depending on your engineering needs. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: calculate drag force, calculate velocity, calculate drag coefficient, calculate reference area, calculate terminal velocity, and calculate power required. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate drag force mode. The input fields are fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter, velocity in meters per second, drag coefficient, which is dimensionless, reference area in square meters, drag force in newtons, object mass in kilograms, and gravity, which defaults to 9.81 meters per second squared. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for fluid density, 10 for velocity, 10 for drag coefficient, 10 for reference area, 10 for drag force, 10 for object mass, and keep gravity at 9.81. After clicking calculate, the primary result shows 50,000 newtons. The dynamic pressure calculates to 500 pascals, and the power required is 500,000 watts, which equals 500 kilowatts. These results help engineers assess the aerodynamic forces and power requirements for their designs. Find the link in the description below